Did you know that in 1917, doctors proposed a very weird treatment for syphilis? The idea was to infect patients that were suffering from syphilis with the parasite that causes malaria, a deadly but curable disease. Now, the plan said, or better said, the hope was that the fever caused by the malaria cured the syphilis, and then they could administer the treatment for the malaria. Now, if everything went according to plan, the patient could be free of both diseases. Now, this killed about 15% of the patients, but those who survived were actually free from both diseases. This actually became the standard treatment for syphilis until penicillin came along, but that was decades later. So the weapon was fever. Did you know that fever makes your body use more energy? Actually, even 2 degrees makes your body spend the amount of energy as if you jogged for 20 minutes. So why does your body produce fever? And how does it do it? Every time your temperature rises, your brain sends a signal throughout the body to activate your sweat glands and make your blood vessels dilate. This releases heat and cools you off. Now, if you're too cold, the opposite is going to happen. Your blood vessels will narrow and you're going to start to shiver, which generates heat. Now, this is why you have chills when you start to get a fever. It's like your brain is telling your body, hey guys, we have to raise this guy's temperature to 100.4 degrees. And why does it do it? Because this helps your white blood cells, your defense cells, travel faster to where the infection is. And it actually helps them squeeze through the blood vessels so they can reach the areas where the infection is raging. This also tells your cells to stop reproducing, and this actually blocks the viruses because they need this to spread around. This is why we prescribe rest and plenty of fluids to prevent dehydration while your body is fighting this heated battle. Did you know that sleeping is the best stimulant to cell replication? This means that sleeping is the best thing you can do to make your defense cells grow faster. This is why we prescribe medications like Tylenol and ibuprofen to help with headaches and muscle pains. Always remember that any fever that comes with a trouble breathing, skin rash, persistent cough, confusion or sleepiness, unexplained bleeding or bruising, persistent diarrhea or vomiting, and headaches with a stiff neck, and any fever in babies less than 3 months old are red flags, so you should call your doctor. So follow me for more tips on how to prevent diseases with science and common sense. I'm Dr. Carolina Melgar from Sono Health.